1, 2, 3. Oh! There you go.
Saturday afternoon, Michaela has planned us a picnic and we are on our way to a place called Quarta, I think it is. We have made it to Quarta. It looks stunning. We are very excited about the location. Weather looks good, and we hope that the food is good too, hey?
I think so.
She has not much to add.
I'm ready to eat.
Michaela has found an amazing place, Quarta.
I always find the best places. It's beautiful.
And we even had a selection of where to sit. And just look at this. This view is phenomenal. There's the bushes. And now we are awaiting our food and drinks. And we are very excited.
Can't wait to eat.
So I'm busy editing this footage now, and something I want to note is our waiter. His name is Happy Moore. He was amazing. He saw the camera, he saw the microphone, and he was like, do you guys post on YouTube? He wanted to know the channel. He was so supportive. He wanted to be on the video, so here he is. Really good service, always smiling, always helpful, really a nice guy. So if you ever end up at Quarta having a picnic, ask for Happy Moore. You will not regret it.
What do you have to say about the food, Matt?
You know, not bad. Not bad. Beautiful setting. Food, as for the food,
I think the problem is...
I think actually that's enough brownie. It's like half a log.
Ooh.
I'm not going to make this whole video about us eating. No one wants to watch that.
We're gonna go see the vineyards.
I'll edit it all out. We had a lovely picnic, and now we've decided to go adventure in the vineyards. It's really pretty out here, walking amongst the vineyards. Hopefully launch the drone without anyone knowing. It's always a risk when there's lots of tourists. But for now, vineyard exploration. There is Michaela back there somewhere, I think. Time for some droning. Not sure if you're allowed to, but perfect place to drone. Let's do this. Hope you enjoy.
So, Matt, what's just happened?
We had a bit of a collision with a vineyard and with a vine, to be precise. The one down there. I think we are okay. These things are quite strong.
Has your drone been drinking?
Yeah, I think it has.
Or
I
have
mean,
you been
we
drinking?
have a little bit of grass, some bush, you know. I think we did some trimming for them.
Yeah, free of charge.
Kayla has extreme requests when it comes to photos. I somehow have to get her there with that view with the wrong lens.
It's a small price to pay for love, I thought.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh!